Ever wondered how AI can both see a photo and understand the words describing it? It's like teaching a robot to read a menu and imagine the dish. But here's the catch. These multimodal models, like the ones behind your favorite AI assistants, process way more image data than text. Think of it like trying to find a needle in a haystack, but the haystack is made of 500 tiny, blurry photos. This is where the problem starts. Modern AI models turn each image into hundreds of tokens, tiny data chunks. But here's the thing, most of these tokens don't add much value. They're like extra sprinkles on a cupcake, nice to have but not essential. This redundancy slows things down, making AI less efficient and more expensive to run. So researchers tried pruning these extra tokens. Imagine cutting the sprinkles to make the cupcake lighter. Two main methods emerged. 1. Diversity-based pruning keeps tokens that look different from each other, like picking unique sprinkles. 2. Attention-based pruning focuses on tokens the model looks at the most, like the biggest sprinkles. But here's the twist. These methods work great for single images, but fail when dealing with mixed image-text tasks. Think of it like trying to follow a recipe that switches between a photo of a cake and a paragraph of instructions. The old methods get confused, leading to slower performance or even wrong answers. Enter CATP, short for Contextually Adaptive Token Pruning. This isn't just another sprinkle shaker. It's a smart two-step process that understands the big picture. Stage 1, the model checks which image tokens match the text and add unique info. It's like asking which sprinkles match the cake's flavor. Stage 2, it then refines this by looking at how tokens interact as a team. Imagine tasting the cake to see if the sprinkles really enhance the flavor. And the results? CATP chopped 77.8% of image tokens, like cutting the sprinkles by 3/4, yet boosted performance by 0.6% on average. It also made the model faster, reducing processing time by 10.78%. This isn't just about speed, it's about making AI more practical. Whether you're asking a robot to describe a photo or help with a mixed media project, CATP shows how we can keep the flavor of data while trimming the extras. So next time you see an AI handling images and text, remember, behind the scenes, clever tricks like CATP are making it all possible. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and let's keep exploring the future of AI. Ever wonder how AI manages to understand both pictures and words at the same time? Imagine a spotlight scanning a scene. Early in the process, it's wide and curious, taking in everything. But as the model digs deeper, that spotlight starts to wander. It might focus on text labels in a recipe photo instead of the actual food, or lock onto a background detail instead of the main subject. Sound familiar? This is the challenge researchers are tackling with a technique called token pruning. So what's a token? Think of it as a digital puzzle piece. Each one holds a chunk of information. But not all pieces are equal. Some are duplicates, others are crucial. The goal? Keep the important ones, toss the rest. But how do you know which is which? Enter CATP, cross-modal attention token pruning. This method works in 2 stages. First, it checks for diversity. Does this token bring something new? And alignment, does it match the text? This is the key. If the model is looking at a recipe photo, CATP ensures it's focused on the pasta, not the label spaghetti stuck on the bowl. Then comes the pruning. But here's the clever part. It targets the early layers of the model where the spotlight is still wide. Think of it like editing a video. You don't cut the whole scene, just the boring bits. CATP trims the digital filler, keeping the story clear and the processing fast. The results? Tests show CATP boosts speed by 20–30% without missing the mark. Whether it's answering what's on the plate or spotting hate speech in a complex image, the model stays sharp. And it's adaptable. By tweaking how much weight it gives to alignment versus relevance, researchers can fine-tune performance for different tasks. So why does this matter? As AI tackles real-world challenges, like analyzing long conversations or multi-image prompts, efficiency is everything. With smart pruning, models like QN2, 5VL aren't just bigger, they're smarter. Next time you see an AI nail a tricky question, remember, behind the scenes, it's quietly trimming the clutter, keeping the spotlight exactly where it needs to be. Stay curious, because the future of AI is all about focusing on what really matters.